આજરોજ સીબીએસઈ બોર્ડ દ્વારા માર્ચ 2024નું પરિણામ જાહેર કરાયું, જેમાં વિશ્વ ભારતી ગર્લ્સ ઇન્ટરનેશનલ સ્કૂલ મોરથાની વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ નિધિઓ મેળવી છે. શાળાનું પરિણામ 100% રહ્યું. ધોરણ 10માં 3 વિદ્યાર્થીનીઓએ A1 ગ્રેડ, 11 વિદ્યાર્થીનીઓએ A2 ગ્રેડ પ્રાપ્ત કર્યા. ધોરણ 12 કોમર્સમાં 1 વિદ્યાર્થીનીએ A1 ગ્રેડ તેમજ 3 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ A2 ગ્રેડ પ્રાપ્ત કર્યા. 12 સાયન્સમાં 3 વિદ્યાર્થીનીઓએ A1 ગ્રેડ, 6 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ A2 ગ્રેડ પ્રાપ્ત કર્યા. ધોરણ 10 સીબીએસઈમાં દામિયા એ પટેલ 93%, પ્રિન્ચી કે વઘાસિયા 93%, તુલસી એ પટેલ 91% સાથે ગ્રેડ મેળવ્યો છે. ધોરણ 12 સાયન્સમાં શ્રેયા ડી પટેલ 91.40%, જીયા વી પટેલ 91.20%, જીયા ડી પટેલ 90.40% સાથે A1 ગ્રેડ મેળવ્યો છે. 12 કોમર્સમાં જીયા આર બંગડિયાએ 92.60% સાથે A1 ગ્રેડ મેળવ્યો છે. વિદ્યાર્થીનીઓએ મેળવેલા અનેરી સિદ્ધિ બદલ શાળાના આદ્ય સ્થાપક શ્રી દેવચંદ દાદા, સંસ્થાના પ્રમુખ શ્રી કિશોરભાઈ સાવજ, શાળાના કેમ્પસ ડિરેક્ટર શ્રી ભાલાણા સાહેબ, ઉચ્ચતર માધ્યમિક વિભાગના સંચાલક શ્રી ગોટી સાહેબ તેમજ અંગ્રેજી માધ્યમના 1 થી 10ના આચાર્ય શ્રી ડ્રમસિયાબેને પણ અભિનંદન પાઠવ્યા હતા.
Good afternoon. Myself Shreya Patel from Vishwa Bharati Girls International School, and I have completed my 12th studies in the field of science, and following is my result. So first of all, I have scored 99 out of 100 in chemistry, then 95 out of 100 in biology, 97 out of 100 in informatic practice, 75 out of 100 in physics, and 91 out of 100 in English.
बेटा, आपने इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आप लाए हो 12 साइंस में, इसका श्रेय आप किसको देना चाहोगे?
So first of all of the credit goes to my teachers because they have helped me throughout my 12th standard, and not only this, they have helped me with NEET and JEE. So yes, obviously my credit goes to my teachers.
आप पूरे साल कितने घंटे पढ़ती थी जिससे इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आपका आ सका है?
So throughout the year I have studied almost 5 hours a day, and yes, this is how I practice consistency.
आपने सोचा था आपका रिजल्ट इतना अच्छा आएगा?
Honestly, I did not expect this result, but I think that I believed in my efforts that I kept on. So yes, I got this result.
आगे क्या बनना चाहती हो आप?
So I want to become a pharmacist, that is doctorate of pharmacist.
और ये आप जो भी चूज़ किया है वो इंडिया में रह के आप इंडिया की सेवा करना चाहते हो या अब्रॉड जाना चाहते हो?
So I am willing to give service to my nation, but I also want to get study from the abroad universities.
लास्ट में आप अपने जैसे जो बच्चे हैं जो नेक्स्ट ईयर बोर्ड की एग्ज़ाम देने जाएंगे उनको क्या सीख देना चाहेंगे?
So I advise them to practice consistency and keep going. They will definitely get the results.
Myself Priyanshi Trivedi from Vishwa Bharati Girls International School, and I'm studying in 10th standard. I just cleared my 10th from Vishwa Bharati Girls International School, and I scored overall 90%, and I got 95 out of 100 in maths, and 90 out of 100 in English, and 88 in SS out of 100.
बेटा, आप कितने सालों से विश्व भारती गर्ल्स स्कूल में आप पढ़ रही हो?
I am studying in this school for 8 years. I started studying in 3rd standard, and now I am in 10th standard.
8 साल से आप यहाँ पर पढ़ रही हो, कैसा एनवायरनमेंट आपको मिला जिससे इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आप पा सकते हो?
The environment was very friendly with me, and the school helped me a lot to encourage me for studies. And actually I was not good at studies first when I came in the school, but they encouraged me to study and support me, so I got this result.
आप 8 साल से यहाँ पर पढ़ रही हो, टीचर्स आपको किस तरह से मोटिवेट करते थे वो भी हमें बताइए.
In 8 years, the teachers, of course, the staff changed and everything is changing continuously. But the teachers all were very friendly with me, and I never got scolded from them, and they always support me for studies. And
कितने घंटे आप पूरे दिन पढ़ती थी?
actually for board, I just studied 4 hours a day, and So this is how I got my result.
आप दूसरे बच्चों को क्या सीख देना चाहेंगे, कितने घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए जिससे आपके जैसे मार्क्स आ सकें?
Actually, it doesn't matter how many hours you study, but whenever you are studying, just focus on that studies, nothing else.
થેન્ક યુ. તારે પહેલાં તારું નામ?
ગુજરાતીમાં જ. Hello, my name is Jia Vivek Patel. I was studying in Standard 12 Science in Vishwa Bharati Girls International School. I have scored 95 marks in my English subject, 77 marks in physics, 95 in chemistry, 96 in biology and 93 in my informatics practices subject.
इतना अच्छा आपका रिजल्ट आया है, आप ये इसका क्रेडिट किसको देना चाहोगे?
I would like to give the credit to my teachers and my parents who have always been there for me as a backbone, and I really appreciate them.
विश्व भारती गर्ल्स स्कूल में आप कितने समय से पढ़ रही हो?
I was studying since 5 years.
आप लास्ट 5 ईयर से यहाँ पढ़ रही हो. पहले की स्कूल का एजुकेशन और यहाँ की स्कूल का एजुकेशन में आपको क्या डिफरेंस दिख रहा है?
The education which this school provided me was visualizing, means they provided me a better view for visualizing the concepts and theory, and I better understood the concepts and theory.
क्या बनना चाहती हो आगे?
I want to become a doctor.
आप यहाँ पर जो पढ़ रही थी, आपके टीचर्स आपको किस तरह से मोटिवेट कर रहे थे?
My teachers have always played a great role in my life. They have always been inspirational. They have always motivated me during my phase in my 11th and 12th. They have always motivated me.
जनरली यहाँ पर को एजुकेशन हर स्कूल में चल रहा है. अभी आप गर्ल्स इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में पढ़ी हो, कैसा यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट रहा आपके लिए?
The environment and atmosphere is friendly, and I feel safe and free to study in this environment.
क्या आपके प्रिंसिपल और ट्रस्टीज के लिए कहना चाहेंगे आप जब यहाँ से स्कूल से निकल रहे हो?
I would like to say thank you to everyone who have played a great role in my life. This was actually a turning point in my life, and I really appreciate my teachers and my trustees.
Myself, Nilesh Goti. I'm managing higher secondary section, English medium, Gujarati medium, both CBSE board, Gujarat board, both. And this year, the result is, highly appreciating. In science section, 18 students in CBSE board that were registered. Out of them, 3 students got A1 rank, more than 90%. And 6 students got A2 rank. So 50% of the students, have got more than 80%. That is a high achievement for our school and our team.
सर, किस तरह से बच्चों को हम यहाँ पर पढ़ाई करवा के जिससे इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आपका आ सका है?
We plan at a very micro level, We design monthly planning and executed it in a very accurate way. Observation, supervision of teachers, experts, is done every time. Analysis, their updation mentor is there who, every time, sees that how they perform. And as per monthly planning, we work and see how is the graph this year. If anything is found lacking, we work on that, and ultimately, it helps us to give overall result.
सर, हम लोग यहाँ पर सिर्फ को एजुकेशन की जगह पर गर्ल्स का ही सिर्फ यहाँ पर स्कूल चल रहा है. आप किस तरह से इसको देखते हो और यहाँ पर गर्ल्स किस तरह से पढ़ाई कर सकी है?
Sir, this is an unique school according to me. I have worked in many co-education where there is co-education, but here the girls, feel very safe, secure and free to, express themselves. They, are free to consult, with teachers, and their climate here, atmosphere, the whole campus is only and only for girls. So here mainly the outside issues, nowadays that the issues related to girls is, outside concerning things are there, but here they do not interfere in their progress, and somehow it helps them to concentrate on study and education, and we got this result because of that. Mainly hostel factors help us a lot, because the students can plan every moment in a right direction, and that way we have achieved this great result.
लास्ट में यहाँ सूरत शहर की जनता को आप जो नेक्स्ट ईयर्स बच्चे 10th और 12th की एग्ज़ाम देने जाएंगे उनको क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
I would like to say them that ki this Vishwa Bharati Girls International School is an unique school mainly for girls. You would hardly find this type of campus where management or trustee Kishore sir, Devchand Dada every time give us guidelines and works to strengthen the girls. And in academic level the experts, and there is nothing lacking in this campus. So those who are searching this type of safe and secure atmosphere though for girls. And I'd like to say that for higher education, JEE NEET, center, is working very effectively. The team is very, hardworking, and the target we had, achieved this year, we could achieve it. So the parents who are, searching this type of campus, Vishwa Bharati Girls International is the only campus who can, give guarantee to the security and safety of girls.
Thank you.
Bureau Report, Chennai Eyewitness.